Alright y'all, I got the smoker wrapped up. I know I skipped around quite a bit on it, and I think the last thing I showed was putting the mounts on the backside for the burners. But yeah, I skipped around a whole lot, but I needed to get it done, and now it is finally done. And so anyway, let me let you take a look at it right quick. That's it. I believe these mounts on the back for the burners was the last thing I showed. They're just made where it'll sit in there and just bolt in. I hadn't bolted it yet. The tank will sit up under it. This is over here. This was put here as where you can add charcoal, and it's vented. That way the plates inside can be used, can be removed and used for offset grilling. That would be your coal rack if you were offset grilling. That's the firebox over here. Under here there's a just a second. It's kind of hard to do with the camera because there's a rod that holds it up. A little foldable rod right there. But there's a griddle in there. You can remove the griddle and see inside the firebox there. It's a firebox. There is a propane wood lighter inside there, if you can see it. Let me open the door up right quick and I'll show you the inside of it. has 2 racks in it. They both slide out. These are the plates that's inside it. It's set up kind of like tuning plates because it's meant to be reverse flow. But if it was one solid plate, you wouldn't even be able to get it out of there hardly. It'd be pretty heavy. So it's a bunch of separate, it's 6 separate ones. Then they slide apart. They all have handles on them to make them easier to get in and out. And I went with the door down. He wanted one door. I would have put, and the purpose of that was so there was no divider to try to go around with the pig. But I would have done 2 doors without a divider. But he wanted one, so I ended up going down with it because it's so heavy that going sideways could have been a problem. So I just went down with the thing. And it's not bad. I mean, the handle's put to the top right there where you don't have to touch your hand on nothing. There's also a linch pin. It's got clamps all around, but I put that linch pin in there just in case you have kids like mine will come around and popping all these latches and the thing fall on them. It's just there for safety. But that's it, man. I got it wrapped up. Now I'm gonna try to find out about some shipping costs on it today. And I know that's gonna be pretty high. But anyway, that's it, man. That'll do it on this one. I've got another reverse flow going back here that I need to get finished up in the next couple days. It's right there. Hopefully this rain don't come in too bad today and tomorrow. But it's right there. I got that one and I'm fixing to start another one of those. So I'm not sure what the next video is gonna be right now. It may be one of those, I don't know. But anyway, man, that'll do it on the pig cooker. Hopefully I can get the thing shipped out this week. Get everything taken care of on it. But if y'all new to the channel, man, y'all please subscribe and like and come back for the next one, man. See what's going on. It may be a fire pit, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. I got several things to do right now. So anyway, man, y'all come back for the next one, man. We'll see you then.